Hey guys, welcome to my video today, and I'm going to show you how to change your shift knob on your 04 Acura TSX. So first you have to take off your old shift knob. Mine just happens to be a 9/16. So I'm going to take that off. So you're just going to threads on and off. Pretty simple. It's heavy. And so when you buy your, depending on which shift knob you buy, it will come with an adapter. See how this is obviously too big. You'll just have to put on a thread adapter. Comes in a little bag. I would suggest just using the same washer that's on the stock one. It fits a lot better and it looks a lot cleaner because the washer that they give you is just a simple, washer that washer nut that you could buy from Lowe's. So just keep the nut that's on there. It'll look a lot better. I can open this bag. So yeah, just gonna get the thread adapter, find which one that fits. I'm just gonna do this one. Thread the thread adapter on. That's on there pretty tight, and I'm sure once I get the actual shift knob on there, it will throw on up here. So we're just gonna throw on the shift knob. So you're gonna thread on the thread adapter on the shift knob all the way down. And you'll actually have a light every time turning the actual thread adapter. There you go. So yeah, that's it. Now I'm just gonna tighten up the bottom nut. So not all that nicer. There we go. That's, ladies and gentlemen, that's how you install a shift knob. For more videos, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.